Greetings. This is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can get Google Classroom on our computer. So the first thing that we wanted to do is to come into the taskbar and bring our internet browser, or you can come right here on our desktop. Alright, since I have it here in the taskbar, I'm going to click on it. Alright, and as you can see up here, you're going to, right here, you're going to type download google.com, but I can paste it because I already have it here. So you can type that and then you press OK. So now you press OK. Now you see the first one. Now you're going to click on the first one, that's googleclass.com. Now we're going to take it to this particular screen here. Alright, and if you notice, you're going to click on this part that says free. Alright, so we're going to actually scroll up a bit. Alright, scroll up a bit so that we can actually see the section that we're going to actually download from. Alright, so now we scroll up, come over here, so download Google Classroom, I say for free, and then we're going to click on it. So I will click on it now, we're actually waiting on it. If you notice up here, it's a Google Web Store. Alright, and notice the extension. Alright, and then we want to come over here. We want to click on the word add to Chrome. Alright, so we click on the word add to Chrome here. Alright, if you notice right here, that is set up. Alright, if you want to click on that. Alright, so when you click on that, if you notice, immediately here, show you that it's actually coming down. Right, notice it take you to these apps here. So what you wanted to do, you're going to right click on the Google Classroom here. Right, and when you right click on the Google Classroom, you can say open in as Windows. Click right there. You come back once again and right click and say create a shortcut like that. And notice you want to either put it in the startup menu or just on the desktop. Right, if you want to put it on both, you can actually let it stay. Then you can actually click on the word create. Right, so when you click on the word create, then you can minimize. When you minimize, there you go. This is the Google Classroom on your desktop. Right, so if this video has helped you,